Hello students, I hope that you all are safe and staying alert from the effect of the immediate environment. I'm your English teacher Ms. Priyanka and today I'm going to teach you article writing. So let's get started. So students, first you need to understand what is article writing and why do we write it. So article writing is just a written piece of information or writing which you can write to attract the large number of people, and it is usually meant for publishing in newspaper, magazines or journals, and it is conveys your original ideas, opinions and views about any current topic, any static issue or any general issue. So these are the reason why do we write articles and what is the usage of article writing in the real world. Now let's talk about the format. Format, we have to start with the heading, and heading is generally given in the question. Your heading should be error free. Okay, and now after writing the heading we have to write the byline. What is byline? Byline is nothing but the name of the person who is writing the article. You know that the article has to be written by someone, so you are the one who has written this article, so you have to mention your name. Students, you need to be very careful about this thing, that I'm not asking to mention your original name. You have to mention the name which is given in the question. Okay, so you have to write that particular name which is given in the question in the byline portion. Now come to the body of the article. First paragraph is the introductory paragraph. Like, you have to introduce your respective topic of the article. Here in this first paragraph you have to generally define or describe the topic of the article writing in the first paragraph. Now come to the second paragraph. In second paragraph you have to generally describe the main idea of the topic, like what are the reasons, what are the causes, what are the different aspects of your respective topic. And in the third paragraph, this is the last paragraph, it is known as the concluding paragraph, because you have to give here the conclusion of your writing and you have to sum up your whole writing in this paragraph, and it should be thought provoking. What do we mean by thought provoking? Thought provoking is something it's something which is hard hitting, like someone has to be compelled to think about it. Okay, at the end of the article you should mention thank you. And students and students, here you need to be very careful about that you are not supposed to mention date, time and day in the article writing anywhere, because these things are not required in the article writing. Now I'm going to share some tips with you which will help you in writing article more efficiently. So my first tip is to you, put some eye-catchy quotes. It could be anything like proverbs, saying and quotation of famous person, any renowned person. You can put that in your article to make it more impressive. And avoid repetition of the ideas. Like if you have written the same ideas, same opinions in all the paragraphs, so it will make your article monotonous and it will also restrict you in scoring good marks. Third tip, don't divert from the main topic. You must be stick to the requirements of the main topic. And the fourth, make small sentences to avoid grammatical mistakes. So students, here I have shown you the correct format of article writing. Above one is incorrect and below one is correct. So that's all for today, and I'll send you related questions through WhatsApp, and I'll be back soon with another lesson.